Hello, how are you? Welcome to the science class. Okay, in the last class, we discussed about how to take care our body, right? How to take care our body parts. We discussed how to take care your eyes, right? Okay, that we discussed in the last class. Today we are going to discuss how to take care your ears and nose. Where is your ears? Show me. Where is your ears? Yeah, how many ears you have? You have 2 ears, right? How many nose? Where is your nose? Yeah, this is my nose. Where is yours? Yeah, we have one nose. So let's discuss how to take care our ears and nose. Okay? Okay, you can see in the picture. Can you see? Okay. Do not shout in your friend's ears. You do not shout. Okay? You do not shout your friend's ears. Okay? It's danger. It's not good for our ears. Don't shout. Okay? Next, do not put anything into your ears. Okay, some children have a hobby putting pencils or something in the ears. It's bad. Okay, don't put your fingers, your pencils, and anything in your ears. Okay, okay, that is, don't put anything in your ears. Clean your eyes with clean cloth or cotton pads. You need to clean using a cotton pads. You need to clean, or you can use a cotton cloth to clean your eyes properly. Okay? Okay, that is the way to take care our ears. Do not shout. Do not put anything in your ears. Clean your ears with cotton clothes or cotton pads. Okay? Okay. Oh, sorry. Next, we are going to discuss how to take care our what is this? Nose. How to take care our nose. Okay, we have two holes in the nose. Okay, okay. First, in the picture, you can see do not blow your nose too hard. Okay, don't blow your nose too hard. It is a danger for our nose. Okay, don't don't blow too hard. Okay, and like I told in the ears, don't put anything in the ears like that. Don't put anything inside your nose. Okay, like pencils or something your fingers. Don't put anything inside our nose, right? Okay, you need third one is stay away from dusty places. In the corona time, you need to wear a mask. Okay, you need to wear a mask from virus, and also the mask helps us to prevent dust. Okay, we know we have dust so in everywhere, like we have smoke from the vehicles, we have dust everywhere, and we have our virus. So in order to prevent from them entering to your nose, you can wear a mask. Okay, Okay, that is a way to protect our nose. Next, how to take care your mouth. Where is your mouth? Here is your mouth. Where is your teeth? Where is your tongue? Your tongue? Okay. You need to brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and evening. You need to brush after waking up and before going to bed. Okay, you need to brush clean uh, in morning and evening. Okay. And next is, do not bite or chew hard foods, and do not tear snack bags open with teeth. Some children has a habit of like this, like do not bite or chew hard foods. It is danger for our teeth. Okay, or do not open the snack bags with your teeth. Okay, don't do that. Okay, next, after you having your food, you are eating chocolates, you're eating rice, you are eating ice creams. Okay, after eating your meal, wash your mouth properly. Okay, wash your mouth properly. Okay, okay, that is how to take care your mouth. Next, how to take care your arms and hand. Where is your hand? Show me. Yeah, I have two hands. This is my hands. Where is the fingers? This is the fingers, right? Okay, this is the fingers. Where is your arms? This is the arms. Arms, hand, we have fingers. Next, how to take care your arms and arms and hands. Okay. First one is, always clean your hands. Okay, this is Corona time. So you need to wash your hands. You need to sanitize your hands and be safe. Okay. Always wash your hands with soap, uh, and your fingernails. You have the fingernails, you need to wash the fingernails properly. You can see some dirty things inside your nails, so you need to wash your hands and fingernails. Also, you can see, you need to keep your fingernails short. You can trim your um, nails. You need to trim your nails. Okay. And do not bite your fingernails. Some children has a hobby of biting the fingernails. Don't do it. Our hands and fingernails contain so many germs that we can't see. Okay, when you're biting, the germs will go inside your stomach and you will get stomach pain. Okay, don't bite your fingers. Don't bite your fingernails. Okay. Okay, protect your hands from harm if you have got any wound or any harm in your hand. You need to protect with a bandage. Okay, you need to protect them. Okay, that's about arms and hands. Next is our legs and feet. How many legs you have? Two legs, right? Okay. Here you can see, always clean and wipe your feet dry. You need to clean your legs, okay, and you need to keep it dry. And we have also our toenails. We need to trim the toenails also. And third one is put on your shoes before going out. Okay, before going out, we need to wear our shoes. Okay, okay, that's about. We have finished our unit 2. Okay, we have finished our unit 2. In the next class we can start our new unit. Okay, that's all. So need to take care all your body parts. Okay, you need to keep it clean. That is a healthy habit. Okay, that's all. See you in the next class. Bye bye.